New member to the crew, and they call him the truth. Tell him how you do.
Hey, this how I do, man. I'm finna get my food straight out the drive-thru. Okay, I'm riding, man. I know that I've been a sinner, but right now, man, my life's in God's hands, and He finna help me stand. I can't stop it riding down the street, and I'm just thinking, my eyes wide open, and I'm just blinking. I got cut in my soul, and my flesh pinking. I can't stop it, man, like the Titanic, I'm sinking. But I still got my Lord. I stopped drinking, man. How could I be in such a crew? A lot of people wanna judge the stuff I do, but man, I'm not perfect, man. I'm just purposeful for this earthless dude. He just want me to pursue. I knew that what I was gonna get into was straight changing my life, and now I knew that I was Christian now. So I'm finna abide in everything that the Lord say I'm finna abide. I'm just in my ride, man. I'm thinking quick. I can't stop it, man. I'm on some thinking is, but right now I'm a back in quick. And I just wanna ask you, dude, somebody got a napkin quick? I've been asking to spit inside the booth, and now I met a man, dog. Let me in the booth. I'm spitting the truth, man. That's just my name. I'm sorry if y'all just feel my shame, feel my pain, man. Don't listen to all of the lyrics. If I messed up, you just gon' confess what I did, man. And I'm just a kid, man, growing up, and I'm trying to get the righteous way. And I'm living, I'm spitting, and I'm inside of the booth. A lot of people been looking at me inside of the coop. They saying, what do you do? Do you sell drugs, or do you wanna do things that can get you in jail? But I'd rather not just sell. I'd rather tell people about my Lord and Savior. Look at me, I shall keep on being the one He made me. I can't stop it, man. I'm still a spiritual baby. It's crazy. I've been giving my flow. A lot of people been living so fast. I'm trying to live slow. I'm forgiving, I know. And on another note, I'm gonna go vote for Jesus. He got all of my quotes inside of His head. Matter of fact, I know I'm dead to that flesh, man. I just been blessed, man. And I'm sorry, I'm finna get through it like a test, man. I already practiced, man. I'm finna go and get the rest of my crew. I'm clicked up 40 deep, and I hope that He go and saves you. But I'm charged up, and you don't wanna be involved in what your friends used to do. And I'm just speaking the truth in the parking lot. I know hell is hot, so I ain't trying to go there, man. I'm trying to stop sinning. Yeah, with God I'm winning. People be seeing me falling down and they be grinning. Anyway, I'm finna keep on going from the beginning. You can just see me hold my head and my chin in. Anyways, I'm out soon. I'm finna tell you what God does. He's finna bless you right now, so forget the sin. I'm out, cuz.